Hi guys, so in this video we're carrying out a full renovation on the rear lawn. This customer looks after his lawn and always looks pretty good, but with it being on clay and they had a patio done, it's become very patchy and it was very boggy as well, so it's just thinned out in quite a few places. So you can just see a number of patches dotted around all over the place, especially at the top end with the shade. So we're going to get some seed on there, but this is the worst one. So you can just see how it's all thinned out. It's just bare soil with moss and more moss and more moss. So we're going to be scarifying, aerating, overseeding and top dressing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please click on that subscribe button down there. Let's crack on. Right guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and please smash that subscribe button down below. We've got more videos coming up at the end which will be interesting to you. Hope you enjoyed this. Any comments, drop them below. I'll do my best to answer. Thanks a lot.